Have you ever thought vibrant art requires a rainbow of colors? Well, today I'm proving beautiful paintings are possible with just two key colors plus white, of course. As a passionate explorer of color for years, I stumbled upon a beautiful combination that unlocks a spectrum of possibilities. Not only is it easy to mix, but it guarantees harmonious results every time. Hi, Tineke here. Last summer, while demonstrating at the local art gallery, I wanted to make sure anyone could pick up a paintbrush and create a nice painting. So I armed them with just two colors plus white. The result? Stunning artwork from participants of all skill levels. The secret lies in Prussian blue, burnt umber and titanium white. Stay tuned to see how I transform just these three into an easy-to-paint seascape. Prussian blue is traditionally made from pigment PB27. The pigment is found in watercolor, oil paints and printing inks. However, it is unsuitable for use with acrylic binders because of its chemical composition. Therefore, in acrylic paints, Prussian blue is always a mixture of other blue pigments and black. You can easily mix this color yourself. I am using Amsterdam Prussian blue, which is a mixture of phthalo blue and oxide black. Other brands use different mixes. The easiest way to mix Prussian blue yourself is by using approximately 3 parts phthalo blue and 1 part black. As you can see from my color study, a whole range of beautiful colors can be created simply by mixing these pigments in different ratios and adding white. If you are interested in making a color study like this, let me know in the comments and I will make a video about it. A very limited palette like this immediately evokes moods. It takes confidence to really restrict your palette, but if you take the leap, you'll be able to create paintings that are harmonious and have a clear mood, while the colors remain vibrant and unmuddy too. For this demonstration, I'm using my new Artway sketchbook, which I got on Amazon. Although the paper is not as thick as I would like, it's only 170 GSM, I really enjoy the size, which feels like painting on a small canvas. I couldn't find a bound sketchbook with thicker paper in this size, so I'll see how it works. After applying gesso to the paper and letting it dry, I mixed up my colors. I have Prussian blue, burnt umber and titanium white on my palette. Acrylic paint dries quickly, especially on paper, so I added a bit of slow drying medium to extend the working time. However, the medium thinned the paper considerably and I didn't see a significant difference in drying time. Therefore, I'll likely skip the medium next time. I started by mixing various shades of Prussian blue with white. Next, I mixed a small amount of burnt umber with Prussian blue and created tints of this mixture by adding white. I then created a mix of roughly equal parts Prussian blue and burnt umber and further tinted this with white. Finally, I mixed burnt umber with whites. By experimenting with different proportions and tinting them with white, you can achieve a wide range of beautiful colors. I started painting and I won't talk during the painting process because it speaks for itself. I hope you enjoy.